Testing, audio, 27.
ESP32 S3 si4732. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this radio. New version of the radio works from 150 kHz to 30 MHz and from 64 MHz to 108 MHz. The radio came in this box. Inside we can find the short user manual with some parameters, this additional information regarding the menu. Wideband antenna works from 10 kHz to 180 MHz. This antenna has SMA male connector. The radio itself, ABS plastic, really tough device. USB, USB-C cable. It's a really tiny radio. On the left side, power switch. You can see the version of the firmware. You can adjust all parameters using this knob. On the right side you can find a 3.5mm port for speaker. On top of the radio you can find a USB-C port for charging and port for the antenna. This is SMA male connector. On the opposite side you can find the speaker. 153 kHz, long waves. The long waves, it works really nice. Currently I'm using telescopic antenna. Let's test the radio. I will transmit on 27 MHz 500 kHz using this radio, and I'm going to receive on this radio in AM mode. This radio works in this firmware only in AM and only in SSB mode. I'd like to see FM mode on this band, but there is no any options to enable this functionality in this firmware. Let's test.
Testing, audio, 27 MHz, audio, testing radio, it works pretty good. I'd like to see the square mode in this radio.
On the screen you can find the frequency, S-meter. Below the frequency, on the right corner, you can find the voltage of the battery, and on the left side you can find the enabled functionality. If you would like to enter to the menu, just press the knob and you will see the menu. In the first menu you can find the bands, available bands. Next, mode, type of modulation. To confirm, just press this button. Next, volume, control, steps, type of modulation, bandwidth. Bandwidth also depends on type of modulation. Let's check the step in AM mode. 1 MHz is available. Mute, automatic gain control, soft mute, max gain from 12 to 90, calibration. You can adjust the brightness. Medium waves using this antenna. Let's connect the telescopic antenna. Using the telescopic antenna, the signal on the medium waves much better. Short waves using the telescopic antenna. The next interesting band, 2 MHz, 920 kHz. USB, 80 meters in SSB mode, LSB I mean. Let's test the FM radio, works pretty good. Currently I'm using the telescopic antenna. It works much better using this antenna. Inside the radio you can find the battery. Battery is 800 milliamps and 3.7 volts. ESP32 is 3, si4732, and a lot of additional components. 2 buttons, boot and reset. 40 meters band. 20 meters, 10 p.m. 3 MHz band in AMNVOLT.
Большое спасибо, самый теплый пожелание. Благ вам здоровья, успехов. От меня от коллектива «Семерка-тройка».
20 meters band. Current time is around 7 p.m. and I'm using the telescopic antenna. That's really nice radio. Catches all of the HF bands, and you can listen to the music on the VHF band from 64 MHz to 180 in FM mode, and you can listen to the radio on AMNVOLT SSB mode. That's really nice, but I recommend to use the telescopic antenna because this radio works much better with this antenna. Or just using the piece of wire, just connect the SMA male connector, connect to the SMA female connector which is in the radio, and put the piece of wire on the bush, on the tree. It will be working much better. Thank you for watching my videos. See you next time.